Hey there! In this video, restaurant owners will discover how easy it is to create menu choices and add-ons using this ordering system. Add-ons help food clients customize their order details with the desired side dishes or extra toppings. To create an add-on, they should start by navigating to the menu editor, which is located in the Menu Setup and Receive Orders. Next, they should click on Add Group and give it a name. It's important to mention that add-ons can be set to optional or mandatory. Mandatory add-ons require the food client to make a selection based on the minimum and maximum parameters set by the restaurant. In this example, the add-on group is set as mandatory with a minimum and maximum of 1. What restaurant owners should do is click on Add Choice of Crust to begin adding items to the add-on group. They should then insert the name of the item as well as the price. Add-ons can be assigned by dragging and dropping the group onto a category. An item or item size. If they want to test out their changes, they simply need to click on the Preview and Test Ordering button located at the top of the page. When they set the add-on group as mandatory with a minimum and maximum of 1, food clients will be able to select only one type of crust. Now, let's create another add-on group and set it as optional. Optional add-ons enable food customers to make as many choices as they want. To create the optional group, restaurant owners should simply follow the previous steps, but this time they should set the group as optional rather than mandatory. They then need to assign the add-on group to an item and check out their menu using the Preview and Test Ordering option. As shown in this example, customers can choose as many options as they want from the optional add-on group. If the add-on group has the same items but different prices, they can duplicate the group and simply adjust the prices. This works best when they have different prices for the add-ons based on the size of the item. To duplicate the group, they need to click on the Options button on the add-on group that they wish to duplicate. They can then click on Edit to rename the group. The prices of the individual items can also be changed by clicking the Edit button, located next to each item. Now they can drag each add-on group onto its corresponding size. As shown in this example, customers can choose as many options as they want from the optional add-on group. That's it for today. Until next time.